Good evening, friends. Once again, this is Shashank Belur, and I'm from Mumbai. This is another lecture of mine through video transformation to give you a brief about my core subject. So, I would be covering up the topic about how a restaurant could be run successfully from the process of how the reservations are taken and how the guests are treated inside with utmost care, how the food is served, and how the guests are also given a seer from the hotel staff. So when I start with this lecture, which I would consider it as my core subject at this point of time. So the prerequisite would be to understand how a basic restaurant works, and the objective is to learn how to successfully run a restaurant, and the learning outcome we will discuss once the lecture gets over. So basically, what is a restaurant? The people get confused and people say that I had been to a hotel. Oh, what is a hotel? Or was it a restaurant? No, 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 no. I had been to a restaurant, people would say. So there's a specific, there is a difference between a restaurant and a hotel. So to give you a more clarity on that, a restaurant is a place where people go have food for themselves, dine there, and they go home. Now, although it also totally depends on different type of cuisine available, and accordingly, the restaurant has its own different type of cuisines mentioned. And the hotel is basically a place where a guest can go and also stay there. Also, can have the food from the different restaurants, different type of F&B outlets. That is called a hotel. So people get basically confused. So to clear that confusions, I had to put this on the records. Now, coming to the restaurant, coming to a fine dine restaurant where I have basically worked, it's an Indian restaurant. So I'll just give you a brief of how the uh, different type of processes are done to ensure the guest is received at the reception area, that is of the restaurant, and also to ensure that he has a pleasant full experience of dining, and at the end of the day he is uh, being seen left happily. There is a process called a restaurant reservation. Now, many a times what happens is the guest will never like to stand in a queue when he's a walk-in guest. Especially this happens during weekends. You don't get a place to sit, and there is always confusion, commotions, and problems, and the guests are also unhappy at the end of the day. So whenever a guest calls up the restaurant uh, for a restaurant's contact number and they say that we want a table to be booked for two people, three people, four people, we will definitely adhere to the response. I mean, adhere to the request what the guest has put, but we will have a gap of only 15 minutes to maintain that. In case if the guest is not turning up at his specific timing, or we will give a gap of 15 minutes, and in case if the guest is not coming up, we can cancel the reservation and we can give it to those people who are standing in the queue. If there is not, then we can also hold that particular booking. So this is the first process. The second process is basically when a guest comes, there is always a restaurant hostess to welcome her. When the restaurant hostess welcomes the guest, she is accordingly escorted as per the number of people in a group to the table, and she is also getting uh, the person who is taking care of the table to be introduced to the person. For example, if I am the restaurant hostess, I welcome the guest, I take that particular person and his group to the particular table, I make them seat them comfortably, I give them the menu card, and I introduce to that person who is taking care of the table. After uh, my handover of the introduction of the guest to the person who's taking care of the table, it is a responsibility of the person who is taking care of the table to take it forward from there. Now, what is his responsibilities? His responsibility should be to introduce himself and his team, and to ensure that he guides the customer or the guest to have an idea about what they want to have, and accordingly place the order to the kitchen. Once the order is placed in the kitchen, uh, he should also give a time limit by what time the food is getting on the table of the guest, and accordingly the runner or the person who is responsible for getting the food delivered from the kitchen to the guest's table or to the section where this food can be kept is the responsibility of the runner to get the food. Once the food is on the table. It is a prime responsibility of the person who is taking care of the table to serve the food to the guest and also with his associates, so that it is served hot and on time to the guest, and also to check in between the taste of the food, in case if they require anything else, to refill the water of the guest on time whenever he sees that the water is getting emptied, to ensure that the cutleries are laid on the table on time when the guest has his first course, second course, third course accordingly, and to also to ask if everything is okay with the guest and if he wants anything to be given. And when the guest is done with his food, accordingly he is also uh, given a sweet response of checking out at the time when he's checking out, to ensure the guest has the uh, utmost satisfaction at the end of the day. So this is the entire process of reservations. This is a practical experience which I cannot do it in my home. Once I get a chance to do this practically, I will definitely post this video for your reference on the email, where you can have a check. This is just what I can give it uh, from my house on a video. For anything else, you can certainly get in touch with me. I can give you a more brief on that. Having said that, I rest this topic, and the learning outcome from this particular topic would be to have an idea about how successfully the restaurant runs and how the process of reservation, the basic restaurant operations, so that it is run smooth and the guest leaves on a happy note at the end of the day. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day. Thank you.